Howdy. In this video, I will show you all how to clean a manual desoldering pump. This desoldering pump is already cleaned, but I'll just go through it to show you all the procedures. When you are cleaning your desoldering pump, you have to be very, very careful because these pumps has a problem that anytime the constant taking out and cleaning, when you come to push it down, it sticks at the bottom. You would have to be playing and fiddling with it. So I'll go ahead and show you all how to clean the pump, the procedures. But if putting it back, it sticks, I will post the video because that's something that usually happens and you would have to fiddle with it. If you're new to this channel, please click the bell icon, subscribe to be notified of further videos. Let's begin. To clean this desoldering pump, down here it screws and up here it also screws. You turn this, you would read the description. This is already cleaned. You would read the description to find, so you would know the details of everything. And you unscrew here. You get a piece of cloth. Since it's clean, I didn't have things there. And you would pass it around. This is an O-ring. You would put a dab of silicone grease here. Don't put a lot because when it do suck the solder, if you have a lot of silicone grease, it would stick in here and it would damage your O-ring. Now you could either put this back at the bottom or the top. It doesn't really matter where it goes, and you make sure that this goes in straight, because if it goes in crooked, which means you would lose your pump, it would be cross-threaded. This is the spring. Both sides are the same thing. You would wipe it off. And again, since it's clean already, I won't be going through the procedures. But go to the description and get the full detail. You put this in, you push it, and make sure that the threads are matching. Look at it and see that everything is matching and it goes in level. If it's cross-threaded, you would be in problems. And there is also a O-ring right here. That's when it sits, it would seal it. And you tighten Let me see this time if it's going in good, and you press. You see, that's what it does. That doesn't mean that it's not good. It's still good, but you have to keep fiddling with it. This is all there is in cleaning a manual desoldering pump. The next video I would be doing with this pump is taking out some components on a board. If you find this video was helpful and educational, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Goodbye and thank you for watching.